Now, let's learn how to input a SSA 1099. So looking at the inputting guide for the SSA 1099, we're going to enter on page 14.1 and look for it on 1040 line 6A. So let's go to 14.1, which is right here, and let's open up our first SSA 1099, which is Social Security income. And this is what it looks like. This is how it should look like, and all of them look pretty much the same. And for this one, let's just assume this is for the husband, so that's the taxpayer. And if there's one for the spouse, you put the one for the spouse on this side. And it's important to know that we know exactly that it's either for the taxpayer, which means usually the husband, or for the spouse, which usually means the wife. And what we're going to do is we're just going to follow the box. Everything in box 2 is a social security number, so that's okay. I blocked that out. Anything in box 3 and 4 we normally don't have to enter in. The most important thing is box 5 and box 6 right here. So box 5, we're just going to enter in what's in the red box. It looks like that. And then here, oh, actually we got to enter in these Medicare premiums. So what we do is we look at Medicare premiums right here, and we need to add these two up to everything up together. So what I like to do is, what you could do is, if you, instead of adding up in a calculator yourself, you could just expand it out. So you press this button right here, and it'll list out this detail. And you can just enter in the amounts manually yourself. So instead of entering into the calculator and trying to get the total yourself, I just enter it into here. And I'm just entering in these numbers right here. So 6531, 767, and 1301. Oh, 6532. That's what it is. Okay. So it totals everything up in here for you, so you don't have to worry about it. Now the next thing is box 6. So box 6, you have to scroll down to get to here. And it's a little hidden. So this is federal tax withheld. So there's no number here. We just have to know exactly where to enter it. And you'd enter it right here, 8980. And don't miss this. This is very important. So sometimes you see 0 or blank, but if there is a number in there, we have to make sure we capture it. Okay, and then usually for state, there usually isn't a thing for state. Only have to worry about the federal side. The next one we're going to enter in is for the spouse. So now we're going to enter it on this side right here. And they don't have any federal withholding, it says none, so we leave that blank. And if you know that the client has a Schedule C business and they also have Social Security income, you need to put a 1 in this box, that whoever owns a Schedule C business. And that's because the Medicare premiums that they pay, that's an allowable deduction for self-employed people, where they could deduct their health insurance. So if they are self-employed and they have a Schedule C, make sure you enter a 1 in this box right here. Otherwise, most of the time it's going to be blank. And pretty much we entered all the information for Social Security benefits, which is the form SSA 1099. Now, going back to the inputting guide, we entered everything in 14.1 already. Now we are ready to go to 1040 line 6A. So let's go there. So we go 1040 line 6A should be the total. So if I were to add this up, 49,416 plus 25,069, that total is 74,486. So that matches. We could check that off if we wanted to. And we are done finishing inputting the forms SSA 1099.